Welcome to Sawabi after Sinkhel cricket ground. Again, welcome to Sawabi in first show the futsal tournament. Munga tasu tolu da Sawabi the mashhur ground na harkale vayu. Giginan zamanga tournament takriban third round kare. This is the quarter final round. Nan pak next match zamang the Salim Khan Kali Juniors versus Young Umar Khel Sawabi چې کوم زمونږ لوکل ټیم دی د دې دواړه ګولکیپر ما راوستي دي یعنې مخکې الریډي د کیپټنس انټرویو شوی دا د سنټر فاروډانو انټرویو شوی نن د دې دواړه ګولکیپران دي اول به عباس سره خبره کوو د سلیم خان د کلي چې ویلکم عباس بھائی
مهرباني دي
اگین تو ثوابي
مهرباني ډیر
څنګه چل دی
شکر دی
خیر دی موږ د څنګه ګوري
ډیر زبردست ټورنمنټ مو جوړ کړی دی
صحیح
او ټورنمنټ چې کوم ارګنایزر دی کوم ریفری چې کوم دی هغه ډیر زبردست ډیسیژن کوي ډیر زبردست دی او خاص کر دا میډیا مرګري چې کوم دی نو موږ خپل په یوټیوب هم ګورو او په فیسبوک هم ګورو دا ډیر په نن سبا دور کې دا ډیر غټ کار دی
سوشل میډیا لیټیسټ ټیکنالوژي بورته
لیټیسټ ټیکنالوژي دی بالکل دا ډیر غټ کار دی چې د ټولي دنیا ته زموږ د میچونه او د خلکو ته د خوندونه ښیي
زمونږ مشرانو ته څنګه ګورئ چې زمونږ کوم افیشل کابینټ کې دلته
ماشاءالله ستاسو مشران ته هم ډیر زیات موږ کشران یو خو لکه بیا ورته هم ډیر زیات داد ورکوو چې تاسو سره دلته راځي د اول میچ نه والې تر اخره پورې تاسو سره ناست دي او ستاسو ډاډګیرنه کوي نو موږ د هغې هم ډېره زیاته شکریا ادا کوو
تیارې هم څنګه دی
تیارې خو ماشاءالله ښه دی بس صرف نن مو یو چینج کړی دی وسیم چینج دی را سره فارورډ کې نور سیم ټیم دی او ښه زبردست انشاءالله خپل کوشش به کوو نور ګټه
ستاسو نه تپوس کوو چې تاسو تیارې څنګه ایز ا ګولکیپر
ماشاءالله بس گزاره کوو ډېر دغه نه یو
مطلب خو زما په خیال ګران کار دی اټیکینګ گیم اټیک پر باندې راځي نو ګران نه دی
کیپر ډېر زیات ګران کار دی چې لکه ته به ټول میچ کې ستا به کنسنټریشن به تا په لکې نه ته به سالم میچ ته یو سیکنډ هم ته نظر نشي په لګولې نو زیات سټیم نه دا نظر غواړي چې ته بالکل اکټیو اوسې دغه
او چې کوم کنسنټریشن ته ساتي په پوره گیم کې نو دا هم یو ایکسترا ټینشن نه زما
ایکسترا ټینشن په دغه دی چې ته به بل چاته به کتې نشي دی کې ډېر اکثر مال هغه مرګري आवाज راکړو نو هغه به خفه شوی وي خو ما ورته شاته نه کتلې صرف نوم مې ورته واخیست اواز نه مې وپېژنده نو کنسنټریشن دغه ضروري دی په دې کې
ضروري اینی هاو بیسٹ آف لک فار یو اینڈ یور ټیم
مهرباني تھینک
हाँ आफ्ताब साहब څنګه چل یاره ټیک ټاک خو کې مې ته وګوره صحیح आफ्ताब زمونږ ینګ لیټل د تعلق ثوابي قاسم خیل ور دی د ینګ عمر خیل یو مایناس ګولکیپر د سره د یونیورسيټي سټوډنټ هم یې کنه تاسو د کوارټر فائنل میچ دی
جی ها کوارټر فائنل میچ
تاسو اپوزیشن دی سلیم خان کلدام یو سترونګ ټیم دی د باره کې څه
دا یو سترونګ ټیم دی خو بس موږ خپل کوششونه کوو نو
تیارې هم څنګه لري
تیارې هم ښه دی بس صرف یو کس موږ سره هم داسې په چینج دی بیمار دی غریب بس هغه هم په چینج دی
توفیل کنه
او جی
توفیل غریب خو ما ډیر دغه وکړو خو هغه وی چې لکه زه به ولې نه کوم چې زه راغلی ما دلته کې ناست ما خو انفارچونیټلی چې زما ډېر واقعي چې ټمپریچر دی ما د خپله دلته کې راغی یاره زه چې تاسو وایي خو زه نشم کولی ادروایز توفیل ستاسو د ټیم وایس کیپټن هم دی یو ډېر ښه انسان هم دی یو ډېر ښه سنټر فارورډ هم دی نو سیریس دی نو خو ما تاسو مس کوئ
جی بالکل مس کوئ
توفیل په ځای به څوک
بس
ویست آی تھنک
او جی خو موږ سره چینج هم د چینج کار روان دی بس چینج نشته
زه خیر د ټیم خو تاسو ولې پوره شو ویست در باندې یو در په چینج شو فوټسال کې یو هم چینج نو ډېر شي دی څنګه ګوري خپل منیجمنت ته خپل لوکل ټورنمنت ته
ډېر خو ورته ګورو ځکه چې زمونږ مشران دي موږ ته دې کتو دپاره دا زمونږ دپاره یو فخر خبره ده بالکل چې دی موږ خواله راځي
بالکل او زمونږ د وقار ملګري څوک چې په سوشل میډیا باندې څنګه چې
د دې
عباس وی چې د دې ډېر ښه دوست موږ خپل په یوټیوب په فیسبوک ورته بس تاسو یاران دوستان ګوري کنه ملګري
زموږ ټول ملګري ګوري او د دې موږ ډېره شکریا ادا کوو
صحیح زمونږ باره کې بس وایي
تاسو خو بس یو لیجنډ کې داس وایي
آفتاب زمونږ د ینګ عمر خیل چې الموست د زما خپل ټیم هم دی چې 11 سایډ دی سره زم یم مونږ آفتاب دی د بیسټ اف لک وایو تر نیکسټ سیمی فائنل لپاره ول ډن آفتاب ثانک یو لیټس گو فار د پلی welcome to the Sawabi Stadium. We are most welcome to all spectators first of all, and here for this big match. This is the Young Umar Khel Sawabi versus Salim Khan Juniors. Almost this is the second quarter-final match. منګه ټولو تماشایانو ته هرکلی وایو اوس د کا زمونږ د کمیټه مشر چیف ارګنایزر ملک میر بشر کاکا ورسره زمونږ منظور بھائی لیجنډر سٹار فوټبال ورسره زمونږ ټول ملګري ټولو ته هرکلی وایو په دې سره سره د سوشل میډیا ډېره مننه کوو د پکار چې څوک ټایم په ټایم ستاسو مخامخ دا میچ راولي ینګ عمر خیل ثوابي ورسز سلیم خان جونیئرز هلال حفیظ صاحب 1-1 is the call from the keeper. Another active defense, Nauman. This is the super strong side for Sawabi Young Umar Khail. Today we are seriously missed to the Tufail, the vice captain of the team, because today is the into gap, straight to left out. Ibn Amin. Nauman straight towards the danger man. For his side, the little man. Active defense from the captain of the Salim Khan. Counter attack from the right side. Nice effort, active defense. Aftab Zayed Rafiq won the team captain. Hilal Hafiz Saib, Hilal Junior. Nauman and Malik Arsalan. This is a strong side for Sawabi. Arsal straight to Zahid. Abal Basham Maruli. Into the gate, straight to the right out. This is a clear restriction. Manga Tulu Tamashanu ta Herkele Vayu. Sokchi pa local Satatul Tarazi Zamang Masharan. Zamang do Manere Kritol Dostan. مراد حافظ سے بودی سره باز بھائی نور چې زمونږ څومره لوکل ملګري دي د ټولو ډېر شکریا ادا کوو صدر صاحب راغی ټولو ته شکریا ووایه زمونږ د ډسټرک عمر خیل فوټبال صدر جاوید اوس ګراوند را پیدا شو This is a counter attack. Another long ball totally wrong from the side. Sorry called. Oh, Muhammad Talha, the captain of the Konda, welcome. یاره اوس به در پاسم السلام علیکم څنګه تاسو سره مې کارم دی خو بیا وروسته ګپ لګو په خیر علي یار خیر دی What a control, a nice clearance from Hafiz Saib. This is counter attack. This is a danger. They respected Hilal Hafiz Saib. Hafiz Quran. This is counter attack. Malik Arsalan. What a nice try. Nice collection from Abbas, the goalkeeper of the Salim Khan team. دغه څه شو افضل Ayaz. Totally back pass. Hilal Afisar. Nice clearance into the gap. Straight to Hilal, the little man, danger man. Straight to Arsal. This is the great forward side for Sawabi. Nauman, restriction again. Today is the match referee, the great defender for Journeyman Club Saad, the executive member of the committee. What a long try again from the captain. Manga the Tulu Masharano Tulu. Nice defense from Zaid. Calculated defense again. Nauman. Nice clearance again. Very long ball straight to Zaid. Rafiq Afghan, Zayed and Arsalan is the backbone for this team. Nauman, what a long ball straight to Hilal. Rafiq Afghan, what a cross. Nice clearance, active defense again for Salim Khan. Manga Zarifan है जिसे मोहल्ला गरीबाबाद वो अपने रिटायर्ड तहल खले वायो मंग मशार Nauman, another restriction, second overflow again from Nauman. This is the first team of the Sawabi, Young Umar Khail. Almost this is the second quarter-final match. The first and only one team already given up to semi-final, the Kunda Stars. Very long and nice pass. What a touch! Straight to Hilal. What a control from Hilal into the gap, straight to Naman. This is the danger for Salim Khan. Nice clearance again, active defense from Abbas. The special goalkeeper for Salim Khan. Hilal Rafiq, the captain of the team. What a good cross. What an energetic try. This is hot bad luck for Umar Khal. This is the first try from the Ursel. Munga Abasta, Herkele Wayo, the ECO, the young Umar Khal. Chodir Khutim. Sir Abbas by the very long pass. What outstanding. Nice defense again. Active defense from the officer. Muhtaram. Zahid. Totally wrong ball. What a clearance, straight Ursel. Noman. Hilal. This is the danger for Salim Khan. Nice and outstanding defense again from the boss. What a active efforts again from the goalkeeper for Salim Khan. Yes. Takini. Another danger attack from Salim Khan to right side. What a control, a nice defense again from Rafiq Khan. Straight to the Ursel. Menon is the call from officer. Straight to Hilal. What a control. Another danger mode. What a clearance into the gap. Zahid Rafiq Khan, the great defender for Swabi, young Umar Khal. Neutral judgment from the south. Very long ball again, straight to the captain, Masood. Ibn Yamin. Good defense again from the side. This is a danger. Nice clearance, active defense. This is a counter attack, very danger. Hilal straight to the Ursel. Totally wrong ball from the Hilal. Nice clearance of his save. This is a very danger again. What excellent defense again. Active from young Umar Khal. Straight to right out. Razama ring barag Razama. Ayaz. Razama. What a control again from the Ursel. Nice defense from the Masoud, captain of the Salim Khan. Another good cross straight to the center forward. Masoud. Nice and active defense again. Rafiq Khan. Ursel.
سبانه مش راته
سبا د کې اسکیم شوانی کوارټر فائنل له سبانه بل ورځ ان شاء الله د شروع پر ورځ د شاه منصور او د مناکی
Second throw to Salim Khan. Straight to the side. Totally wrong pass. Rafiq Khan, nice clearance active again. Straight to the Hilal. Totally back pass. Al Ursel. Nice active defense again. What a defense for Salim Khan.
Through to Sawabi, Noman and Hafizar. Into the gap, Hilal. Another excellent defense. Second consecutive throw to young Umar Khail Sawabi. Tomorrow will be the next big match. FC Mishwani versus KSK. This is the third quarter final and the last quarter final on Wednesday, inshallah. FC Manage versus FC Kunda. What a try, nice efforts, outstanding efforts again from the Abbas active defense. Almost this is the third corner for young Umar Khail Sawabi. Shoaib Raja Shoaib. Sadar Saab, Manzul Lawi Rawal or Razake Nastale Bashi. Nice and active defense again from Salim Khan. This is the counter attack and what a danger. What a pass to right out. Very, very fast.
भले करो रे वर्षाल दाले गुब्रा वाले गिलास किस वे जा बच्चे
Salim Khan had very well and excellent get up, silver and black, while the Sawabi side blue. Officer, this is counter attack, another active try. Nice efforts again from the off top. The superstar goalkeeper for UK, young energetic man, straight towards and totally bypass. Hello, Officer, nice clearance, great defender for the Sawabi. This is the counter attack, Masoud. Another good clearance from the side, straight to Hilal. What an energetic try, nice effort again from the boss. This is active try. Hilal, the youngster of the tournament. Hilal Amin and Zaid. This is clearly out. What a reception again, nice judgment.
राजी के ना तलहा भाई राजी के नहीं दिल वर्ष अच्छे वो बहुत बतू का बस तलहा दिल वर्ष कौन देवाली वर्ष वाले
Second extra try again. Sharum Zanosh Bhai and Sadar Zaved say very easy for his team. Abbas. Very long pass. Nice collection from the Noman. What a judgment. What a good and neutral judgment again from the Osman, the sideline man. This is a counter attack, very relaxed and easy. And almost this is a danger. What a ball. Nice pass into the game. What a clearance from off top. Big well. Young Umar Khail Sawabi. This is the almost home team, first team of the Sawabi. Nothing a marker. Third corner for Salim Khan.
Luis Saleshe.
Another active defense, second consecutive corner again for Salim Khan Juniors. This is the second quarter final match. Sawabi versus Salim Khan. Straight to the Arsal. Noman. What a nice efforts again. Totally bypass. Rafiq Afghan. Noman. Arsal. The danger man. Straight to Hilal. Little person. Nice effort again, a nice clearance, active defense for him, Salim Khan side. Ibn Yamin straight to captain. On left out, nice clearance again from Officer. Both are the balance side. Sawabi is the balance, Salim Khan is the balance side. This is the grab, still 0. What a control, nice defense for Sawabi again from Salim Khan side. This is counter-attack side, the danger man. Another good clearance, active defense. Looking the Salim Khan side very strong today for this big match, only one change. Another long try, totally wrong out of the pole. The vice captain of the team, Tufail, seriously missing to this big game. Tufail was a bimari khubani kai. This is the big game of the tournament. Second quarter final. Nice and active water control. Into the gap again. What a combination. Outstanding combination. Wesa sideline la Rasha. Wes sideline la Rasha. Al tawar chalega. Lag ma kisa Hilal. Hilal aako gura. Sabar, wes sabar. First stage for Sawabi Wasan. Water control, Ibn Yamin, the superstar player for Salim Khan side. To the Chikai. Nice control. This is the balance side. Still 0. Salim Khan 0. Sawabi 0. Munga tolo tamashainu da har kale vayu soke pa Facebook pa social media munga guri de sara munga local de samram tamashainu tolo manana ko zamang da tournament pura official cabinet pa ground ke मौजूद मलिक मीर बशर का जरनोश भाई सदर साहब जावेद तुफैल मंजुल्ला zamanga RJ वली भाई उमर खेलो अब्बास शारूम The total taraf na tasuda har kale vayu the sara zamang organizing pura committee. Afzal another active try. This is the outstanding try from the Malik. This is a hard bad luck. Keeper kele si judge ko lemni. The sara zamanga ta pura the organizing cabinet. Ayaz Afzal and so on. और this sara zawla ka katam har kale vayu the manera the star. Mashar Zahirullah Kaka. Narwani ji, thank you. Desara manga takhpal media partner dera manana ko do bakar sokchepo social media pura tournament ro wali desara manga the RJ wali sokchepo radio dilbar ke radio dilbar na pura transmission ke the tournament updates ro wali dim dera manana ko who is the first chance. Another active defense straight to West, the danger man. Zahid. What about straight to the Arsal? This is a danger. What a excellent skills. Again another try. And this is the neutral and good judgment again from the south. What a defense. Almost this is the third corner for a young Markhal Sawabi.
Totally change me. Oh, Hilal.
Zamang tournament ka rest deva. Zamang the young Markhal the cricket match the Monera team sara Mehran, Mushtaq, Anand and so on. Chitwala local team the Derfa game show. The young Markhal side the Sawabi. Oh yeah, match win kade de. The Muqsood the Afad the Abid Khabetek. The Sarada Bakhzaman the Bill Muqsood Khabalik. Your dear Kho got match. So inshallah Delta Bill match. The FC Mishwani Sawabi versus KSK Kamil Sheikh Kale Sawabi. The Badrim quarter final or last quarter final to Managi. Warsara the FC Kunda Star. Oh the sorry Kunda Star or all ladies in final to qualify Kida. What active attack, nice defense, outstanding defense again from the officer. Very well done active defense for respected to officer.
Ayaza, dagawala managis recha meshtis.
Another nice and active defense from Rafiq, won't really out. سبا ان شاء الله دو كيس كي ود اف سي مشواني دريم كوارتر فاينل ماتش او بلورس اخيري د شاه منصور او دو مناغي دا به اخيري كوارتر فاينل ميبي د فرایډي پر دلته جلسي هلال. This is counter attack. What a defense again from the captain Masood. Nice skills, active skills. Another good attack. This is hard bad luck for Hilal, for young Markhal Sawabi. Where is the chance for goal score? Zahid. Nice control. This is counter attack from the right side. What a cross, outstanding cross. मंगसरापति टूर्नामेंट के स्पॉन्सर जानबाज होम डिलीवरी सर्विस सवाबी. नाइस एफर्ट अगेन ऑफ टॉप. जानबाज होम डिलीवरी सर्विस मलिक प्लाजा अपोजिट सवाबी ग्राउंड. What a ball straight to Zahid, clearly through. Nice judgment again from the Usman. दे सरा सरा तो सनब्राइट स्कूल एंड कॉलेज मोहल्ला गरीबाबाद डेरा मनाना गो तो जायद और साजिद और आगे सरा तो अनवर स्पोर्ट्स सोच जमंग खमल कर दे टूर्नामेंट लबम पूरा ट्रॉफी वर्कई दा जमंगा तो दे टूर्नामेंट पर ऑफिशियल स्पॉन्सर दे शुएब रशा. स्ट्रेट टू बैक पास जाहिद ओएस. Another throw to Sawabi, still 0. Salim Khan still 0. Another long throw, another active defense again. Third consecutive throw to Sawabi. Was totally back pass, Zahid. This is a counter attack for Salim Khan. Nice clearance, active defense. Another throw to Sawabi again. How Ibrahim la ta tham par khair ale wayo wasar Yusuf ta hum awaz seb lagta shatasha abas lag lag shatasha abas lag lag shamat wallah bistari
ayaza shatasha kana.
Another nice and active defense again. This is counter attack for Salim Khan. Nice clearance from the captain Rafiq upon totally back pass Zahid straight to the Malik Arsal. Rafiq, what a gap pass. This is a danger. What a touch. Rafiq, very long, straight to us. Nice clearance. Another active try. Out of the four from the west. So the change man. Totally wrong. Junaid Shata Harkale, welcome Junaid bhai. What a long ball, straight to Arsal, going for the try. Nice control, active control, what a defense. Masood, the danger man, straight to the side. Nice clearance, a clear restriction, what a judgment. Almost this is the first yellow card to Salim Khan. Sorry is the call from the flight. Zahid, khpawle check khpa. This is the serious injury. Zahid, the backbone for his side. Outstanding footballer. Great defender. Very sorry. Get ready. Into the gap, straight to the Hilal. No man. What a control, outstanding skill, Zahid. Nice defense again, active defense, a very long try from Hafiz Saab. Muhtaram. Nice control. This is a very easy chance for Malak Arsalan. What outstanding effort again. Nice defense. This is outstanding cross. What a try from the Hilal. Nice and active defense from the boss. Energetic goalkeeper. Observe! Almost this is the third corner for Young Umarkhel in second half. Still 0, Salim Khan 0. Now this is counter attack. What a control, what a skills. Into the gap again. Outstanding cross from the left to right side. Another long try. Straight to the side. This is counter attack, totally wrong. Sawab is the big trouble. Into the gap again, Zaid. Totally wrong. Again, Zaid straight to the right side and left side. What a control. Hilal. Nice clearance again from the boss. Big goalkeeper for Salim. That is SK Khan. Zaid. Hilal. What a long Zaid. Nice active defense again. Rafiq, captain of the team. This is a serious restriction. What a judgment again from the south. Clearly out the captain of the Salim Khan Masoud, the fouler man. This is the serious foul from the backside. This is another active chance for the goal score for YUK. Rafiq, Noman and Orsal. Yes, get ready. Totally back pass. What a control. Another outstanding try, totally out of the ball. Hilal and Arsalan, the superstar strikers for Sawabi. Noman, what a control. Totally wrong pass. Nice defense again. څنګه چې د ستار منیری او د مشواري میچ هم داسې دا میچ هماغه میچ دی زیات خوندونه د دې میچ نه یو زموږ لوکل ټیم چې د ملګري زموږ نه already په ټینشن کې وي ویلی باغ wrong pass active control another good defense again Rafiq Afghan captain of the team what a control nice control again totally wrong pass Zaid the trouble Hilal Afisab Hilal Afisab the superstar footballer the Afisab ډېر زیات قدر کوو د قرآن پاک حافظ احتراما څومره هم چې په ګراونډ کې رښتیا به هم ناست دی یو ګریټ ډیفینډر نور هم چې څومره دی د دې به ډېر قدر کوو صدر صاحب وایي زما خبره اوري زما راته خبره نه ښکاري نو مایک نه خو ورشي به ورته ښکاري هلال this is a counter attack danger man another long try out of pole چې د سلیم خان ته ګولکیپر څومره هم تعریف وکړی شي کم دی nice control Arsal again clear restriction again another free kick yes a second yellow card conceded for the Salim Khan side clearly foul get ready
رفیق ته ګوري خدای فری ولاړی نومان رفیق ته ګوري
another throw to Sawabi team still 0 Noman second consecutive throw again Noman and Arsal Afzal Tarasha kara second consecutive throw Noman Hilal third throw again still both are 0 Sawabi 0 Salim Khan 0 Noman totally bypass another energetic try what a superstar try again from the Malik Arsalan the outstanding striker for his team this is the hot bad luck again for Sawabi what a neutral and excellent judgment Mandullah Tangu ye masada lady or mashum de Shabawala Kecho from Sadar Sahib Noman the danger man Hilal what a control, what a skills, still is a counter attack. Very long ball to straight to left out for Salim Khan. Totally wrong. Hilal straight to Rafiq Afghan. Hilal Afise Muhtaram. Straight to the off top. The energetic goalkeeper for UK Sawabi. Hilal into the gap, Noman. What a long ball straight to Rafiq Afghan. Another active defense again. Football zan lakar na de. Na bacha ball worke. और समझने वाले समझते हैं this is through again. Noman, very long ball straight to the outside. Another good try, totally out of the ball. Still Sawabi 0. This is a counter attack and very danger. Nice effort again from the Hilal officer, active defense. Both are still 0. This is the second half in progress. Another long try, totally out of ball. Ramakisha is the call from Sadr Saab. President of the young President of the Markhal Club Sawabi Zaved, the great person. Yes, another clear restriction from Noman. This is clear restriction. Now is with the guest. Sorry is the call. What is this, Noman? Control. Umpire step there, Faisal Kai. This is a free kick to Salim Khan. Counter throw again to Salim Khan. Hilal, the little man, danger customer. What efforts again from the Masoud. Nice judgment, nice defense. Noman and Hilal for the throw in futsal rules. From the downside. Totally bypass. Hilal, what a control. Nice effort. Almost this is the fourth corner for young Markhal Sawabi. Another good chance for the goal score.
ट्राइगाने वाली ट्राइगाने बस वो सस्ते गई माँ
Salim Khan 0, Sawabi 0. Nice defense, active defense again. This is a counter attack. Totally wrong. Again through to Sawabi.
Zanosh bhai, lag शायद इसे बासा ما तागी नखकारी.
Noman, outstanding skill. What a clearance. Totally wrong pass again.
अटैक के लास्ट टाइम ने उधरे गेमों से
Clear restriction, handball from Afisab. सादा चेक कर बच्चे चेक कर. Let's go for the play. This is a common throw because due to referee. Let's go into the game. Hilal again. The little master. What a control again from Hilal. What outstanding skill. What a nice goal. This is the little man. Very congratulations for Sawabi team. To Sadr Zaved, Malik Mir Bashar Kaka, Zarnosh Bhai, Manzoor and so on. What a striker for Sawabi. Young little master Hilal. I mean, now this is the first chance for Salim Khan side.
Nice clearance, active defense again. उस खैर दे, उस रिलैक्स है, उस रिलैक्स है, उस खैर दे खो, परंटो के मैगदी, Noman, the danger man. What a ball straight to the Orser, very fast. Nice ball again from the Noman. Noman, relax, easy here. उस सही दे, उस बल गोल की د دواړو ټیمونو طرف نه ډېره ښایسته او خوندوره مقابله. Again Hilal, what a control. Arsal, still nice defense. What a control Hilal. Another active try from Hilal. The Hilal ماشوم دی د مشرور بلال امین هم موږ سره د ګراوند کې ډېر ښه ګیمونه کړي. په هلال چې څومره تعریف وکړي چې دا کم دی د ملک ارسلان د ینګ عمر خیل یو آوټسټینډینګ سټرایکران رفیق افغان زاید ته د یو ډېر ښه سنټر ډیفینډران هلال حافظ صاحب او ورسره نومان یو ډېر بیلنس سایډ. Another extra try. What a clearance. Almost this is the serious foul straight to the goalkeeper. Almost this is third yellow card to Salim Khan. Another long ball. Rashakana. Nice clearance from the Abbas. Over the flow. What a defense from Nomi. Into the gap. Rafiq Afwan straight to the Arsal. Hilal. What a control. What a skills. Oh. This is another bad luck. What a try. Outstanding, energetic try. Hilal, the superstar player for Sawabi side. This is the first team of the Sawabi. Throw to Salim Khan. Salim Khan 0. Sawabi 1. Abbas Uswailig relax. What a push. Nice, excellent clearance from great defender for YUK. Hilal Hafiz. This is a counter throw from the left side. This is our danger. What a skills, what a control. Totally back. Nice effort. What a control. Another excellent defense from the side. What a long try. Nice Rafiq upon the time of the captain. Hilal. Welcome back. Sawabi 1. Salim Khan 0. This is free kick for Salim Khan. This is the second quarter-final match. Young Umar Khail Sawabi versus Salim Khan Juniors. Tomorrow will be played the next big game. KSK versus FC Mishwani Sawabi. Masoud. What a goal for Salim Khan. This is clearly rebound. بر بال روانه د ګولکیپر د خپل غلطۍ د وجنه یو ډېر ښایسته ګول. سلیم خان 1 Sawabi 1. Noman. Arsal totally back pass again. Rafiq Afwan. Salim Khan. Hilal. Nice and active defense again. What a control. Ayaza. Abasa.
بدأ شرط ولا لا؟
لا هو مش دي الأصل دي أنا جديدة ولا مش مالو अच्छा नहीं जाओ
हम 11,000 ले आने पे
क्या सही है चलो उसका लगा दाता
सको और था के नाश्ता करना
मुझे रहता है वो साइड की हाँ से तो वो करना बताओ पूरा देखो क्या
कैमरा पर आ बोला
मैच په 1-1 باندې ډرا شو اوس فرنټای دي زمونږ ډېر زیات سپیکټیټرز ډېر تماشایان نن ډېر ښه ملګري راځي ټولو ته هرکلی وایو السلام علیکم ګولې ده بخیر دا یو ډیسیبل ماشوم چې د ریګولر راځي زمونږ د ګراوند ته get ready for the first penalty shoots yes a clear goal for the Noman بس چپ خبرې مو کو شاته شاته دلته شاته
راضي بچي نه مالا پیدا نه
second penalty shoot for Salim Khan nice skill outstanding skill زي بلقى زي سكند سوق دي سايد روغن دي ولا زور بمكوي بس مرازي بس كي مرازي لا قدري منا get ready for second penalty shoot Malik Arsal this is a bad luck for Sawabi get ready for single penalty shoots Masoud the captain of the Salim Khan off top the keeper yes ready well done this is a bad luck زايدة زورنا بچه زورنا زويا خب آرام get ready well done what a penalty shoot in from side Sawabi 3 Sawabi 2 after 3 chop Sawabi 3 after mala chap get ready yes ready off top this is Padli Khan almost this is the last penalty shoot for young Umar Khail Sawabi this is the fourth penalty shoot after 3-2 this is the last penalty Hilal Sawabi is trouble. This is the last penalty shoot. Kadi golo ko no match gati. وغنشاء This is the last chance for both sides. Salim Khan, bowler. مړه ځکه سړی شرمېږي نه صحیح مړه صحیح په پښتنو کې شعور راځي هم ابراهيم لالا سلام دعا دې وته کوو ریپلی ډېر ښه تڼکۍ ریپلی ده
درجة زرعة زمها.